Uh, I'm gonna be doing the review of this cable right here. You saw me installing this few videos back. I promised you to make a review on this thing. I'm gonna tell you right away, it's not being used right now. I'm not using this thing. There's a couple reasons for it, and I'm gonna tell you exactly why it's not in the car. But one of the reasons is because it is too slow, and I'm gonna tell you why I say that. When I'm talking about that, it was like a little bit slow. It was because both things at the same time, things like the N gauge and the other one was the smart box for the X-Force Varex. One of them worked for a couple seconds, then it goes to like a limp mode, and then the other one kicked in and worked for a couple seconds, and then that one stopped working, and then the other one came back and worked again. So that was the big problem. Okay, for example, let me turn it on. When you turn this thing on, you can see the RPMs, working real fast, So when the white cable was plugged, the RPMs start working for like a couple seconds, then stop, and then the smart box kicked in. So the way I know the smart box was working was because I was using the OBD2 option, which is the matrix option. Let me show you. Okay, as you can see, this is the app for the Varex smart box. It has three different, let me see if I can show you. It has three different modes. Alright, it has manual, matrix, and geo. Matrix, you set up the exhaust to do whatever you want it to do. Like right now I have it really simple just to show you how it works and why I'm telling you that it wasn't working fluently when the white cable was plugged. Look at the RPM is the first one. It reads really quickly. For this you need the OBD2. The OBD2 port is for this option right here for the matrix, but I don't use it that much. That's why I decided to take it off, to take this off, because I don't use the matrix as much as I thought I was going to use it. Okay, so let me show you the two things plugged in and show you what I'm talking about, how slow it was working. And you're gonna see that the most notable was the N gauge. It just went bananas and it shuts down after a couple seconds. So because it wasn't reading the OBD2, so when this thing, normally when you turn the car off, it shuts down itself. Why? Because it stops reading the sensors, so it shuts down by itself. So that's what happens when the white cable was plugged in. It stopped reading the sensors for a couple seconds, and that was like a trigger for the N gauge to shut down, and that's what happened. But let me show you that. Okay, so now it is connected. As you can see, look at the RPM. It stops quite a bit. You see, it stopped and it's powering off. That is the main reason. Oh, it kept working, but yeah, it's very intermittent. Takes a couple seconds, then start powering off again, and then it comes back maybe, or maybe it shuts down. This time probably shuts down completely. You see? The car is on right now. I mean, I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, it's on and it shuts down. So some reason it's a very low speed of data transfer, and that is the main reason why I just not using the white cable. Okay, now let's take a look at the Varex app. Not even, can't even see it right now. Let's try it again. Yeah, it's not working right now. Yeah, it's really bad, really bad for this purposes. So I'm not using it. So I hope that some of you have better luck, hopefully, and yeah, just let me know in the comments below, please. I hope this helped you somehow to make a decision on buying it or not to buy it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, watch the installation video, and yeah, see you guys on the next video. Take care.